Dear students, in the previous session we discussed a few examples on continuity and also finding the problems on limits. Again, let us continue the problems session. I will consider this problem. Let us discuss the continuity of this problem. F of x is equal to, the function is defined like this, okay, at x equals to 2, okay. To discuss the continuity, okay, in the neighborhood of 2 we have to find out the limit of the function. Now let us consider the LHL, that is left hand limit, which is equal to the limit extending to 2 minus of f of x, which is equal to so we have to identify the which function is defined for left hand limit. 2 minus is nothing but what? 2 minus is nothing but less than 2. Less than 2 is written as 2 minus. For less than 2, observe here, x less than 2, the function is defined as 5 by 2 minus x. Let us substitute limit as extending to 2 minus is 5 by 2 minus x. Apply the limit as extending to 2. Replace x as 2. Simplify, you will get 1 by 2. Okay, this is the left hand limit of the given function. Let us find the right hand limit, RHL, which is equal to limit as extending to 2 plus f of x. Let us identify which function is defined for right hand limit. As I told, that is 2 plus is what? 2 plus is nothing but greater than 2. For greater than 2, observe here in the given problem, x greater than 2, function is defined as x minus 3 by 2. Let us replace for right hand limit, the function is defined as x minus 3 by 2. Apply the limit as extending to 2 minus 3 by 2. After simplification, you will get 1 by 2. Observe here, left hand limit is 1 by 2, right hand limit is 1 by 2. Therefore, this is the limit of a function. 1 by 2 is the limit of this function. But we have to discuss the continuity. To discuss the continuity, okay, after finding the limit, we have to find out the functional left hand limit, right hand limit and functional value all are equal. Okay, to estimate k, we have to find out what is left hand, right hand and functional value. Let us take the left hand limit as extending to, because continuous at 2. Okay, in the neighborhood of 2, we have to find out the limit of this function. So limit LHL is equal to limit as extending to 2 minus f of x. As I told earlier, 2 minus is nothing but less than 2. For less than 2, here observe here, x less than or equal to is there. Less than 2, function is kx square. Replace f of x as kx square. Apply the limit as extending to 2. 2 square is 4k. Next RHL, okay, sorry, LHL, left hand limit. This is right hand limit. Okay, so that is right hand limit as extending to 2 plus f of x. As I told you, 2 plus is nothing but greater than 2. Observe here, the function is defined for greater than 2 is 3. It's a constant function. As extending to 2 plus, the function is 3. Even though you apply the limit, you will get the right hand limit is 3. Right hand limit is 3. Now also exactly at x is equal to 2, what is the function is defined? X less than or equal to this. For less than, this is the function. For is equal to also, this is the function. For is equal to 2, kx square is defined. F of x is equal to kx square. So replace at exactly 2 null replace madre, x k replace as 2, you will get 4k. Since by data f of x is continuous, because it is given continuous, my intention is to calculate k. Okay, by data f of x is continuous, this can be written in the limit longways like this. If the function is continuous, limit as extending to f of x is equal to f of 2. F of 2 is what? Here f of 2 is 4k. I have written f of 2 is 4k. Okay, now limit as extending to f of x is nothing but what? This is the limiting value. Observe here, the limiting value is how much? Right hand limit is 3. I replaced here 3. After simplification, k becomes 3 by 4. This is the value of k. Okay, k is 3 by 4. When k is 3 by 4 in the function, this function becomes continuous. Let us continue the another problem. Let us show that the function f of x is equal to 3 sin 3x by x, x not equal to 0, k is equal to 0, is continuous at x equals 0 if k is equal to 3. Same as the previous problem, we have to estimate the value of k is equal to 3. When k is equal to 3, the function becomes continuous. Observe here, the function sin 3x by x for x not equal to 0. X not equal to 0 means x, we have to consider x should be slightly greater than 0, slightly less than 0, slightly greater than 0. This is LHL. This is what? RHL. For both x not equal to 0 means x slightly less than 0, x slightly greater than 0. Less than 0 is the left hand limit, greater than 0 is right hand limit. The unique function is defined for both left hand and right hand. So that's why I consider LHL is equal to RHL, because the unique function is defined for both left hand and right hand. LHL is equal to RHL, limit as extending to 0. I'm not going to return either plus or minus, because I have considered both left hand and right hand. Simply you can write limit as extending to 0. The function is defined as sin 3x by x. So very, very important. If you apply the limit here, if you replace x as 0, this becomes sin 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate, is not acceptable. Okay, that's why we have one standard result. Limit as theta tending to 0, sin theta by theta is 1. Okay, as theta tending to 0, sin theta by theta. Observe here the angle theta. Okay, this should be same, theta, this should be same. Then that value becomes 1, approximately 1. Observe here, sin 3x is there, here x is there. They are not equal. 3x is there, x is there. Make them equal. Just multiply and dividing by 3. Okay, just you multiply and divided by 3. 3 sin 3x divided by sin. Just now you can observe 3x, which is same. So now this is sin 3x by x, same as like this. It goes to 1. Okay, sin theta by theta is 1. Sin theta by theta is 1. So that is, if you apply the limit, that becomes, this is constant, 3 into 1, 3. So again, by as I told you, the function is given already a continuous. Okay, to estimate the value of unknown, we need the function should be continuous. So already given by data f of x is continuous. This can be written in the symbol like this: limit as extending to 0 f of x is equal to f of 0. This is exactly at 0. At exactly 0, what is given function? Exactly at 0, f of x is what? K. So now f of x is equal to k, f of 0 is equal to k. Now replace f of 0 is equal to what? K. Limit of the function is what? 3. So k is equal to 3. Okay. Now let us continue the problem. Another problem. Show that mod x is continuous at origin. Mod x is continuous origin. What is the origin? Is nothing but what? The origin is nothing but 0. Origin is nothing but 0. So function f of x is given mod x. We need to show that the mod x is continuous at origin. To check the continuity of a function, we need at origin. At origin means at x equals 0. At x equals 0 means we have to verify in the neighborhood of 0. In the neighborhood of 0. In the neighborhood of 0, we have to find out the limit of a function. But we have to define the function in the neighborhood of 0. Let us open this mod. It's a standard. The definition of mod x is, if you open that mod, you will get plus x if x greater than 0, minus x if x less than 0, 0 if x equals 0. This is the definition of mod x at origin. Okay. Now let us take the left hand limit, which is equal to as extending to 0 minus 0 minus 0 minus is less than 0. For less than 0, function is defined as what? Minus x. If you apply the limit minus 0, which is equal to 0. Now right hand limit as extending to 0 plus. For right hand limit, 0 plus is greater than 0. Greater than 0 function is defined as what? X. If you apply the limit, you will get 0. Exact 0. At 0, f of x is defined as what? 0. F of x equals 0, f of 0 is 0. Okay. Now the limit as extending to 0 of f of x is equal to f of 0, because left hand limit 0, right hand limit is 0. This is the limiting value of a function. 0 is the limiting value of a function. At functional value is also 0. So therefore the limit as extending to 0, f of x equals f of 0. Therefore f of x is continuous at origin. So now this is the definition of mod x. This is mod x. Mod x equals plus x if x greater than 0, minus f if x less than 0, 0 if x equals 0. Okay. Thank you.